1,000 of these Periea collapsible storage bags, and I have sets everywhere, and I kid you not, Diana Seedstead is here with us. Every time I buy a set, I end up using it so quickly, and then I realize I need another set. I never have enough. So here's a chance to get a small, medium, and large set at a sale price of only $29.98. Typically, just one large would be $24.98. So for $5 more than what you're paying for one, you're getting the small and the medium as well as the large. You get all three boxes for that sale price. Of course, free shipping and handling at $5.50, that goes away, as does the 5 easy pays at the end of the day. Let me invite you to think about the spaces that you have that are just cluttered. Things are everywhere, and if you don't have a place to put things, then things won't get put into place.
There's nowhere to put them.
This is a better mousetrap, and you know, years ago when we had big plastic tubs for storage, that was the choice and that was what was available. Now we have an option, and we have Diana Seedstead here to talk with us about them. Let's do a quick color tour. Do you mind?
Sure,
we'll do that, and then we'll let everybody start placing their order. So here are the black dots. Then we have the painted floral, which is a newer pattern. The pink is so pretty.
Very pretty.
Here's the gray. Right next to that is the buffalo check. That's the most limited. Then under the buffalo check is the sage linen. Next to that is the metallic marble. And then at the bottom you have the blue or metallic floral. And then next to that is your blue linen. So those are your color choices. The black dots is showing you the 3 sizes, and then this is just a stack so you could see the colors.
Exactly.
Right.
Yep. Get all 3 pieces.
All right.
And what's nice is they come to you totally collapsed. So if you're not exactly sure where you're going to use them, or if you want to get an extra set, they'll just store really easy for you, because they're going to come to you like this. You could tuck them under in bed and wait for that inspirational day when you're ready to get organized. So to pop them up, you're just going to zip open the top. You'll see the steel frame is inside. It's already attached. Lift up on the edge of the box, and then just push the pieces of steel frame to the edge of the box. The medium and the large have 3, and then the small just has 2. But now that box is nice and rigid. They hold up to 44 pounds each across all sizes. You have double zippers, easy load on top here. You have a little peekaboo window on this side. You have fabric handles. But then what I really think sets this apart so nicely is that this front window not only shows you what's inside, you can open it. It's your secondary access. So if this is up on a shelf, you don't have to take it down and only go through the top. You can just easily open up the front and reach right in, which is so convenient.
I have these in my dressing room, and I have one that has all of my boots that I don't use on, in the summertime. There's another one that has just sandals. I've got a couple on the top. You know, Pat and I have a show called Cue the Real Talk on Thursday mornings, and we always have props for it. So there's margarita glasses, there's Santa hats, there's all the things that I need seasonally. And I put them in the closet, and already 300 orders placed. And at this price point, I hope you'll think about multiple sets. The small is 15 by 13. Your medium is 19 by 16 by 9, and then the large is 21 by 16 by 14. This is like standard, home closet.
Yes.
They fit nicely into little shelves, and oh my gosh, Diana, I can see everything that's in there.
Looks so much nicer. If you have areas and closets that you walk into, and maybe it's that space above the hanging clothes where you've stacked and folded sweaters, or you've put your purses up there, and then as soon as you start taking stuff out and putting them back, it just becomes a jumbled mess. It can become a jumbled mess of shoes down here. So this really gives you that tool to get those areas organized. I love it. Allows you to shop your closet. You can see everything. Everything's protected, so your bags, your shoes aren't getting dusty, but you can just open this front window. And I love bags aren't hiding in the dust bags, because then you never use them because you don't know what you have. But again, this is gonna, it saves you time getting ready in the morning. If you're looking for something, you can find find the blue sweater or whatever you're looking for.
You can see exactly what's in here, the jeans that no longer fit, but you're not going to get rid of or whatever. So 500 now spoken for again. Take advantage of this President's Day sale price. This is the end of the weekend, and the free shipping and handling, as well as 5 easy pays, goes away at the end of the day. This is what we're calling the black dot. So it's kind of a little kind of window pane, if you will, dot pattern. Very clean. We get different colors for different rooms so that I can keep track of the linens in Lauren's room as opposed to the blankets maybe that I put in Chelsea's room.
Different people get different colors.
People, different colors.
Seasons, if you're putting home decor in there.
I love that. This is the painted floral, which is a new color. And we put it on the side so you could see it, but it's the same same construction with that see-through window and, of course, the zip access on the top. Right underneath, we have the solid gray, and next to that is the buffalo check. Then right below buffalo check is the sage linen. Next to that is the metallic marble. And then down below that is metallic floral. Next to that then is the blue linen. So, you know, get the colors that, you know, work for your closet or for the kids' rooms, or if it doesn't matter to you what color, then just get a couple of sets at this price, because normally this very set would cost you $65.
Wow. Yeah, so, I mean, we mentioned before, this may be something that you've used, maybe you still have some of these, you have no idea what's in that one. For me to get into that one, I have to move this one, then get the lid off and dig through and try and find something. Is it sweaters? Is it Christmas lights? Nobody knows. So here you can see how beautifully these stack as well. You know, maybe it's the things you go to the bulk store and buy extra of, and you just need a place to store the extra toilet paper, diapers, sponges. Maybe it's in the kids' room, or maybe the kids have a box at grandma's house as like an activity box. So you can see and get everything out. And then look down here, I even have glassware. Like you would never put your Christmas dishes in one of those kind of like rubber boxes. But if they're in like cardboard boxes and things, then they're hiding, they're hard to find.
Speaking of cardboard boxes, my daughter just texted me. She needs more of these storage boxes. We just moved her this weekend.
These are great
and
for
there's
moving.
a lot of things in cardboard boxes right now that we packed up, and you know, to be honest, we even have those old tubs in many cases. But now she wants to put them in her new house, and she wants to have it organized. And this is a neater way to do it. It's a cleaner way to do it. And today it's an affordable way to do it. At $29.98, you're saving what, $36 off the regular price? This would be $65 for a small, medium, and large. Look at it this way. The large that you have there would normally be $24.99 by itself. For $5 more, you're getting 2 other sizes, the medium and the small. So even if you don't have an idea of where you're going to use it right this second, place your order for them, get the colors that you want, because you're going to find so many different ways to use these, whether it's the you know, old clothes that you're not ready to give away, or clothes that you're planning on giving to someone else, the baby clothes that your kids have grown out of.
Kind of have a donation box. And I love, you always have the 5-minute pickup box too.
Yeah, exactly, right?
We all need that. Everything needs a home, and these give things.
The 10-second tidy box.
Yeah, the 10-second tidy, I love it.
This is your chance to get them at a phenomenal sale price. Literally $10 a piece is what you're paying for boxes that you would pay close to $19 to $25 for. And the transformation that they can make, even in a closet that just has the metal wire, the builder's grade shelf.
I have a lot of that.
It just looks so much better.
Yeah, and if you have just open shelving like that, instead of having to come in and build cabinets, just put the Periea boxes there, and then you can get organized and, you know, open the front window like you're opening a cabinet door. If you need extra dresser space, extra drawer space, these stack beautifully, and you could use it. Yeah, exactly. For all the kids stuff. But stacked like that, you can even use it like a dresser. Like my kids have these in their apartments at school. My daughter's in a tiny little dorm room, but this is great for their extra clothes. My daughter even has like snacks and things in these. You can use them for everything.
If you are someone who has so much closet space that you don't need to organize it, good for you. Congratulations, you're the only person in the world. I've never met that person. And like I said, my daughter's pantry, the you know, storage area, the bathrooms. I mean, there are so many places to use them. I just bought her new towel. towels. So she's going to have some old towels that
Right.
she's not going to want to get rid of.
Right, because you
where
always
do
need the
store
old
them?
towels or
Exactly.
something, right?
So here is the black dots. Then next to that, we've got the brand new floral. This painted floral is really pretty, kind of pink graphic floral. Right below that is your gray. Next to that is the buffalo check. We have the green linen or sage linen. Then the metallic marble. Can you see the metallic finish on that? It's kind of cool. And then there's also metallic in that floral below that. And then there is your blue linen. You get 3 pieces. These are the sizes, the small, medium, and the large. You get them all for $29.98. But just like our President's Day weekend sale clock, the time is ticking away.
Yep.
This price, this easy pay, all of those great offers go away at the end of the day.
And now this is the smallest
small.
box in the set.
Okay.
Not very small, because this is a king size
Look
comforter.
at that.
So, you know, even if you fold this up and
Yeah.
put it in a closet, it takes up so much room.
Right.
It's getting dusty. You can't stack on top of it. This way, this
You
gives
literally
things
just
soft-sided
stuff it.
structure. Just stuff it in here. It's going to save you so much space. So great for pillows
This is
and
the way
extra
your kids
bedding.
are actually going to keep it.
Exactly. That's all right. That's all right. If it's in a box, I don't
There
care.
will be no folding. Got it. No problem. As long as it's neat
Yep.
and you can see exactly what it is, and you've got handles to pick it up to take it where you need to.
Yeah, and the handles are great. Like you said, you're just moving. These are great
Yeah.
for moving. They're great for traveling too. We use these whenever we rent a house where we have to bring.
You have a piece of just fuzz. I think it's it's
Fuzz.
it's a feather.
probably
it's a
from the
feather
down
from the down
comforter.
comforter. 1,800 of these spoken for in our show. Once again, you guys are smart. Get them now, because that day is going to hit where you're going to look at everything in your closet. You say, you know what, I'm so done with this. And wait a minute, I've got the solution.
Yes,
So
yes.
this is your chance to go ahead and stock up while we have it at the sale price, $29.98. The painted dots, we have gray. This is that brand new painted floral. We have the gingham buffalo check. Right below that is the sage linen. And then next to that is the metallic marble. Below that is your metallic floral. And then next to that is the blue linen. The 37859 is your item number. I'm telling you, they're going to come in handy.
Yes,
Don't miss
they
out.
do.
Diana, thank you
All right,
so much.
thank you
Good
so
to
much.
see you.
Great to see you too.
All right. So we are not going to have time